Hello there! Today we decode why Ruhe's Piano Kitchen Sink is the best in the market. So let's get on with it. This superstar is the ultimate blend of style, functionality and durability as it is manufactured from 1.2mm thick premium stainless steel. If you look closely, you can see a stunning honeycomb embossed nano coating on the surface, which makes the sink absolutely stain resistant, heat resistant and scratch resistant. So don't worry, your sink is going to look brand new for years. Now here's where the magic happens. These piano keys are basically switches that control everything from RO faucet to the waterfall outlets, the pull-out mixer faucet and even the cup washer. Well, as I told you before, it's nothing less than a symphony of functionality. Next up, we have these two knobs. The big one controls the temperature and you can see the degrees that you set it up on the digital display. The other knob activates the fast drain function of the sink. Just turn it on to see how quickly all your water drains. The integrated pull-out faucet is a marvel in its own. With the triple flow function, you can switch between bubble, shower, focus flows and control the direction of the flow with ease with its pull-down faucet head which retracts on its own when released. Along with this, you get a stainless steel RO tap which is tested on 5 lakh operations. Now that is some reliability. This automatic cup washer uses a high pressure of water flow upwards to keep your cups and glasses clean effortlessly. Just flip them over and let the washer do its job. Unlike others trending online, Ruhe stands by their product with a 10-year warranty on their sink bowls and 2-year guarantee on the multifunctional panel. Peace of mind guaranteed. And it doesn't stop there. Your Ruhe Piano Sink comes with soap dispenser, wooden chopping board, vegetable basket and strainer basket. Everything you need right out of the box. So whether you are upgrading your kitchen or starting from scratch, the Ruhe Piano Sink is the perfect choice. So get yours today and enjoy the Ruhe difference.